Hi, it's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, and thank you for joining me and for tuning in. I'm here with my patient Jim, who's 15 months out from a second hair transplant. Jim's a healthy guy who didn't like his hair loss. We did one transplant, it came out really well, and he wanted to add density, so we did a second one. This essentially in the front is all transplanted. I think it looks really natural and good. We created a natural hairline with natural recession, subtle irregularity. Doesn't look like you've had a transplant. And Jim, because he keeps his hair a little bit longer, opted to do an FUT procedure. And we were just talking about this. His hairstylist can't even find any evidence of a scar. I'll go slow. Coming up somewhere in here, Jim, is a little scar, but right there, that's it. So that looks really good. We did a little reinforcement back here, and also that front. I'm gonna just do a comb like that. That's all transplanted. Thanks very much, Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.